Hi everyone, in front of me I have the Xiaomi 12 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show you the top 5 tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is being the fact that you can set up your fingerprint or face as the unlock method for your smartphone. In order to do that, just go to settings, look for passwords and security category, and here you will be able to turn on the fingerprint or face unlock. Let's go ahead and start from the fingerprint. If your phone does not have any unlock method other than swipe, you just will require to set up the backup unlock method, and you can choose from pattern, pin or password. I'll just go with pattern as for right now. Wait for the got it button to become active, tap on it, set the pattern, confirm the pattern, and now you will be able to set up your fingerprint as the unlock method for your device. In order to do that, just place your finger on the fingerprint scanner, lay in left, and wait until the fingerprint picture in the middle of your display will become entirely blue, and your fingerprint therefore will be scanned. And as you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled, and now we can use it in order to unblock the phone. The second biometrics that you can add is the face unlock. And all you gotta do is just press on start and scan your face. It will not take more than a few seconds, so let me do it off camera real quick. Alright, so I have just enrolled my face successfully, and let me show that it works just fine. As you can see, the icon on the top right below the camera successfully recognized my face and lets me to use the device, therefore unlocking it. So that was it for the first tip. We're moving on to the next one, which is related to the screen refresh rate of this device. In order to access this setting, you gotta open up the settings app, go for the display, and here scroll down until you find the refresh rate section. Here you can either choose one of the two available custom options, which are 60 Hz and 120 Hz. The higher you choose, the better and smoother animations and overall visual experience you'll get, but also with choosing the higher refresh rate, your battery life will be shortened and your battery will drain faster. And there is also the default option, which allows you to automate this process, and once the system thinks that it's better to lower or respectively increase the refresh rate, it will do that automatically. And also at this menu on top of your display, you can see the preview, which allows you to see the difference between these two modes. So moving on to the next tip, which is the second space. In order to access it, you gotta open up settings again, go for special features, and here choose second space. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It will create it real quick. So basically, what is second space? It is the second subsystem you'll have separately on your device, which you can access by fingerprint or entering the pattern, pin or password, whatever unlock method you've chosen. So let's go ahead and press on continue. Here choose how you would like to access and switch between the spaces. I'll just choose the shortcut continue. Second space password. I'll just draw the pattern, and this pattern will stand for, oh actually you gotta draw the pattern for the first space, and here you'll set the password, the unlock method for the second space you just created, and confirm it. And if you have the fingerprint option enabled, you'll be also able to switch between spaces by using the fingerprint. So we scanned this finger for the first space, and I'll just scan the same finger but on the left hand for the second space. Show the pattern for the second space, and scan the second fingerprint, which will be responsible for entering the second space. Just do all the necessary scannings. Enroll your fingerprint from different angles. to make sure the fingerprint is fully scanned, until you'll see that the fingerprint picture at your screen has been fully blued. Alright, so we have successfully enrolled the second fingerprint, and now we can go ahead and start using the second space, as you can see. So right now we are at the second space. In order to access the first one, just tap on the switch icon, and we've got back to the first space and the main space we have, as you can see. Or we'll just go for the switch icon on the first space in order to access the second space by either scanning the respective fingerprint, or we can also switch back. Oh, at this point, yeah, my bad. At this point, once you set up the fingerprint, you are only able to use it in order to access the spaces. Alright, and once you want to switch the second space off, you've got to open up the settings again, the same special features category, second space. Here, go to the settings again, do pretty much the same actions, and here just tap on delete second space. Continue, show the pattern you set up for it, continue, move. And now, as you can see, the second space has been deleted successfully. So the next tip that I would highly recommend on checking out is the sidebar, which is located at the special feature settings also. Just click on the sidebar. Here, by the default, the switch will be turned off. Enable it. And as you can see, this gray bar appeared on the left side of our screen, which is basically just contains some of the apps that we want to have the quick access to. In order to manage this sidebar, you just gotta scroll down until you stumble upon this plus icon, tap on it, and here you can either add or remove the apps from the sidebar of your device, and then just press them down. Very convenient if you want to have the quick access to the apps without actually having to, for example, opening the drawer or just getting back to the home screen itself. And the last tip that I wanted to show you today is also located at the settings. It's a very cool tip that allows you to measure the heart rate of yours by using the fingerprint scanner. Here, go to special features, heart rate, press on start, allow, and just lay your finger to the fingerprint scanner. It will go ahead and see what heart rate do you have. It requires you to hold your finger for around 15 seconds in order to get the precise measurement. Alright, as you can see, my heart rate has been measured successfully, and it states that the heart rate of mine is 82 BPM at the moment. Press on done, and that's pretty much it. So this video has came to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.